In one of the lectures where we edited your course videos, I mentioned something about an intro and an outro that you can use. Of course, this is not a must, but the advantages of having an intro or an outro is, of course, it looks a lot more professional. That's for one. And number two, you can use it as branding because your students who see only the intro will immediately recognize that this is one of your course videos. So how do you do this? I mentioned already in that video that you can use services like Fiverr. So if you go to Fiverr and you search for intro video, I did that here already, then you see that there are many Fiverr sellers who sell these services. They create intros and outros for you like this one, or perhaps you're looking for something more like this. There are thousands and thousands of sellers who sell these services. Let me see, 3,500 plus results. So you have a lot of choice. And I think you can have one of these intros created for you for just $10 to $30. This one is 30. Here's one for 10. This is of course an option. But a few years ago, I did find a lifetime deal on a tool that can create any video that you want, any introduction video, intro video, outro video, and it can create videos like this for you. If you hover over this, this is what you can create with your own logo. So any of the videos that you see here, and of course the lifetime deal only gives you access to a couple of hundred of these templates, but there are thousands if you pay for the subscription. I never did that, by the way. But hundreds of templates that you can use and that you can include your own logo in. For instance, clicking here on logo, and let's see if we can find a really cool intro logo for our imaginary course, the Dream Job Accelerator, I think we called it. So this one is only landscape, which is good for our course. But if you go to other templates, there are, so this is only vertical. This one has different aspect ratios like landscape, portrait, but also square for Instagram, for instance. But let's go for this one because it's nice and powerful. And I can include my brand, but I'm using a logo that I created for this purpose, for our imaginary course, the Dream Job Accelerator. So this, of course, is an ugly logo, but I'm just using this as an example. So I have selected it right here, but it is connected to Pexels, to Pixabay, so different services. I'm now selecting my own homemade logo. Done. Background, let's keep it like this. Done. Done. Audio. I think I will remove the audio anyway. And I'm first interested in seeing a preview. And in the meantime, while this is rendering, creating this video, this intro, let me show you what I mean with an intro. Going back to DaVinci Resolve, here is my intro, or in this case, an outro. It's the same video I use as an intro and an outro. This part here is something that I use at the end and at the start of every single video. And it's the one that you've seen in any of my course videos. So the videos that you are currently creating in DaVinci Resolve or perhaps in Premiere Pro, you can use this intro video, this currently rendering, and add it to the start and or to the end of your video. And that way, your whole video looks more professional. Your course looks more professional. So here is the intro and the exact same video I use as an outro as the last clip of my video. This one. So let me see if the render is done. Download. So let me remove this. And let's play this. Hey, welcome back. So in case you're interested in a tool to create unlimited intro videos for your course videos and lectures, this is a great opportunity because it is a one-time purchase. And if you only need one intro video, you just simply go to Fiverr and have one made for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.